two corners to do. Hey guys, welcome back to MK2 Rusteration.
In our last video, we completed those outer windscreen surrounds apart from a little bit of welding in that corner. In this video, we're going to be doing that back, inner, upper, door shut, surround, metal thingy.
Do that.
Yeah.
So, let's grab some tools.
And let's crack on.
Right, so we're going to jump on the interior today and we're going to concentrate on this piece here to start off with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up first and see exactly what condition it's in.
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild this whole section here because this is really flimsy and welding to that is going to be a nightmare. So I'm going to rebuild all that section. I'm going to follow this where I've ground it down here and here.
Right, so I've now made this inside panel. I've also cleaned up this panel here as well, which forms the back door jamb, and it's a little bit worse than what we first thought. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut along this inside edge here, all the way to the back where it's damaged, and cut somewhere here, and then I'm going to bend this and form this shape as well. just lost some footage. Forgot to press record. This is the panel that I've just cut out. I've cut along this crease, which is like an edge like this, so it's easier to weld. And as you can see, it is pretty rusted, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this next, and then we can weld this panel in, which fits quite nicely, and then weld this panel in, and then that should be this back edge mostly complete. I've then got these two corners to do. Here, which you've just seen me grind down, and then that should be this back piece just about sorted.
A good weld. It's battery up top.
That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we've mostly completed that inner, upper, inside, door shut, metal, back hatchy upper thing on the rear up there. All we need to do is a little bit of welding.
And then we're going to move on to that roof and get it all welded up and finalised.
Thank you for all the comments so far. We do try and respond to all the comments, so thank you very much for that. Leave your comments and your thoughts down below. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, click that bell notification icon as well so it notifies you whenever we do an upload. And with that being said, we will catch you in the next one. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.